I know you're bothered about how you're going to do well in your biology exam. You have like 2 weeks or short period of time left for you to study, and you're wondering how are you going to perform so well in this exam. That's why this episode is for you. Welcome back to Prima's Privacy. Please, if you're here to subscribe to our channel, please make sure you do. You know we count so much on you to make our content and all. So what we want to talk about in this video is how you're going to do well within this short period and all the topics you need to cover. That 100% questions will definitely come out from these topics. The topics are: first, you need to know more about classification, everything that has to do with classification, talking about the monerans, the fungi, the plantae, the animalia. You need to know their differences and cells, functions and structures. You need to quickly know about all these things. Questions will 100% come out from here, either 1 or 2 questions. I know questions will come out from here. After that, you need to know about nutrition, everything about photosynthesis. You need to know about the light stage and the dark stage reaction, how photosynthesis takes place in the stroma, in the Ghana. Try and know everything about it. Then another thing you need to talk about is ecology. So ecology and ecological management, biomes. So you need to know about everything about the ecological management, like the biotic factors, habitats, the soil, how they have effects on organisms, and the basic ecological concepts. And don't forget to study biomes and the adaptation of different organisms to different biomes. So then you also have to look at what we call conservation in biology. Conservation questions do come out there every year. So another thing you need to know is reproduction in flowering plants, how reproduction takes place in animals and in flowering plants. You need to focus a lot about this. The asexual reproduction questions will definitely come out on flowers. Then the plant anatomy, you need to know a lot about plant anatomy, questions about the root system, the stem and the leaves. You need to know the internal structures of those plants. Questions do come out there by all means. Then another thing is genetics and variation. You can't avoid questions from genetics and variation. Question will definitely come out. Then evolution, a lot about adaptation and evolution. Know more about Jean Lamarck's theory, know more about the Charles Darwin, know more about Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. So know more about the scientists. Questions will definitely come out from the scientists as well. So adaptation of the cacti, adaptation of plants, the hydrophytes, the xerophytes, and know what keeps them in that environment, and the social insects. Try and know a whole lot about these organisms. I am 100% sure questions will come out from these topics we have listed. Do everything to quickly read about those things. Take your past questions alongside and solve them for this period of 2 weeks or some days you have left. So now, looking at these things, when you're done with your exam, come back to the comment section. If you see some of these questions, try and leave back a comment. And if you did not see, which I'm 100% sure you're going to see, but let's say you saw some questions that we didn't talk about, please leave it in the comment section so that we can compare it to the ones that your younger ones are also going to have time to come, or so that we can also help generations that are coming. Is that understood? So please leave a comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and we love you. Thumbs up to you.